Hi, Yiming here. This is just a quick introduction to CallCow platform, and hopefully this video can help you get started. So the way to think about platform is first we need to create workflows, and then we need to associate workflows with numbers. And then after we have the numbers, then we can start taking inbound calls or outbound calls, and then you have the context here. So when we start with workflows, we'll do create workflow, and one of the ways that we can start is we can start with a custom blank workflow, and then we can start editing with AI. So for example here, what I can do is I can say I want to ask why they are calling and connect name, phone number, and answer any questions. So with our AI editor, it's really easy to edit workflows. And then once you have something that you think it's good, you're going to go ahead and run in browser. This way we can test the workflow in the browser directly. And when you see this graph, what it's doing is that right now there's an introduction stage where every workflow starts at, and depending on the condition, depending on the response from the caller, for example, the caller provides reason for calling, then we'll go to connect information step, or if they want to hang up, it will go to hang up step. And then for collect information step, we're just gonna go ahead and collect the name and the phone number. You can add more fields if you want. And then, of course, let's go ahead and look at the metadata. You can add more context. You can add additional instructions. You can configure your voice as well as LM model. And then you can add webhooks if you want. And of course, webhooks and everything is in the documentation here. Cool. Once you have your workflows, then you're going to go ahead and try to deploy your workflow. So right now, you can, once you have a phone number added, you can assign the workflow to a number and then deploy the workflow that way. For phone numbers, you can purchase phone numbers directly in our platform, or you can bring your own with your Twilio account. And the steps are pretty straightforward. Just follow our documentation here on how to set up your own Twilio account. Cool. And optionally, you can also add knowledge. So knowledge is any text and website that you can give the agent as a background. So for example, for CallCow, we have documentation here on kind of how it works, as well as pricing and basically all our documentation. So that when you call our CallCow voice agent, it will have all the context to answer any questions. And then for integrations, we integrate with a bunch of calendar APIs as well as CRMs. This way that when you want to book meetings from your workflow, you can add the integration here and book meetings afterwards. You can see this account has already a lot of integrations. So when I just want to show you kind of how meeting booking looks like. It's gonna go ahead and select the calendar. So you'll see this is a calendar scheduling node. So the AI will use the integration tidycal demo, which is hooked up to my API key to set up the meeting with you. And then, of course, you can also edit the workflow manually with a scheduled meeting or form or something empty. After you have finished setting up your phone number as well as your knowledge base and integrations, you can go ahead and assign the workflow that you want to a number. And once you have assigned to a number, you can also add summaries or webhooks or notifications, so that anytime someone takes a call, you can be notified. And we also have a chat widget coming up soon. so that you can also embed this in your website as well. Cool. And anytime there is a incoming call, it will be marked here in your inbound contacts list. And then you can view the call summary as well as the workflow, as well as kind of all the transcripts for the call as well. So that in case you are running a local business or you are connecting information, you can follow up properly. And for settings, this is just settings for more context for the agent. You can configure different voices and set up your billing as well. Cool. This is just a quick short intro to the platform. If you have any questions, you can always give us feedback from the feedback dialog or our feedback page, as well as this chat widget here, which it will notify directly to my phone, and I'm going to help you there.